Today I'm going to be doing a hair up, super simple, super easy, and really good for like everyday wear. We're going to do a top knot on the top, nice and loose with a little bit of hair framing through the face, and I'm going to show you how to use the Dart Pomade Stick to create the look. So to prep the hair, it's slightly volumized, and then we're just going to take a short triangular section through the front. With the Dart Pomade Stick, obviously as you do it, you want to incorporate how your hair up's going to go with the product itself as well. So ideally it's used to smooth flyaways through the hairline. So if you just tilt your head to show them like so it would just be more like smooth and through this section here, but we want to leave a little bit down just to frame the face nicely, like so. So you just take the lid off. It's actually got a little twisty thing on the bottom. You just twist it up and the product will rise out the top. So you don't need loads, you don't need to overdo it. Depending again how thick your hair is it curly, how much flyaways you've got around the hairline. So in this case, Sophie's got minimal, but we're gonna kind of just use it to just really kind of like soften it off a little bit. And you're just gonna work it through like this. You can just see, you're just gonna run it over the edges. You don't need to press on too hard. Just a soft application. It will just help you to get that little bit more control with a non-sticky feel. Looks super natural as well, so it doesn't look heavy on the hair. It's not gonna weigh it down. And we're gonna do the other side as well, like this. This is actually the fastest selling product of the year. It's so good. It's one of our favourites. It's tiny as well, so it fits in your handbag. You can take it on a night out with you. Super easy to use and suits every single hair type. So once you've applied a tiny bit through the front, not overdoing it, we're going to get the hair up. So just taking a tail comb. So we want this to be like quite effortless, quite loose. And this is something that everyone should be able to do. Doesn't matter what your hair's like, within a certain length, shoulder length and below, you should be able to just kind of do like a loose throw up, so I would say. And then I'm gonna twist. All the way to the end. I'm just going to take small clips. You just need a few of these. Again, depends how much hair you've got. So this is really good like on the go in the morning. Looks really clean, looks effective, goes with every outfit possible. You could dress it up, dress it down, but it just looks effective. It's actually one of my favourites, I think. So if you don't have a lot of time, or you do have a lot of time either way, but I think ultimately that's what a lot of people are looking for. You just work your pins round. So we're going to go again with the product. Now it's up, you can start to shape the hair. So just turn your head to the side. You can just see those little flyaways. You're just going to work it round the whole head. On the other side. And just running it over any little bits of hair where you think, oh, that's a little bit flyaway, you want it to be a bit smoother, you can put it, so if you just turn again to the front, you can even work it through the pieces, through this top bit. This is how I create an effortless hair up using the R+Co Dart Pomade Stick.